everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. Today's video is a Dollar Tree gift basket idea. I am going to be putting together a bunch of little gift baskets so that we can start early and start kicking butt this holiday season. One thing that you don't know about me is that I am a world-class procrastinator. I spend most of my time hauling things with intentions to gift them, and then I wait till last minute, get frustrated, go out, buy something full price, and my anxiety is through the roof. So this year, we're doing things early, we're doing things smart, and one of the things that I have been using, which has been helping me so much, especially now that Black Friday is right around the corner, is Shop Tagger. If you don't know what Shop Tagger is a web app that basically acts like your personal shopping assistant because they find you the best prices for everything that you want. Shop Tagger has teamed up with me and I'm so glad they did because trust me, they are a major help. Let me show you how to use it really quick and then we'll get right into the gift basket video. So you're going to want to go on the Shop Tagger website on Google Chrome and you're going to click on Get button to get that little widget right there. And Shop Tagger has a bunch of stores that they work with, but that little button right there is awesome because you don't necessarily have to be on their website to use it. So let's say, for instance, you really like this top or these jeans from Target. Now, you don't want to pay full price. So what you do is you hit that little Shop Tagger widget and it automatically lets you save it. So I always click notify me of any price changes and I add it to my list. And what it does is it emails me as soon as this item has gone on sale. It's amazing. So let me show you some of the items that I've saved. It's not just clothing. You can do accessories, makeup, whatever you want. And these lists are shareable. So if you want to share your list with somebody who you're hoping gets you one of these gifts, you totally can. Creating your list is simple. You just click this little button right here and you can add the name of the list, your description, and make it private or public. It's totally up to you, but it is that simple and saves you tons of money. So make sure to click that link in my description to try out Shop Tagger. This has been a total game changer for me. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started with these gift basket ideas. For this gift, I'm going to use this metal serving tray from Dollar Tree, and I found this sponge in the car section of Dollar Tree. I'm going to use Dollar Tree's mounting tape just to help keep everything in place. So now I'm just going to press that in so it stands up nicely. And I also found this leather vinyl protectant. Dollar Tree carries the small Armor All protectant and a few others which I purchased as well, and I'm going to secure those in place using my mounting tape so it doesn't move around when I wrap everything up. I also included some air fresheners, also from Dollar Tree, which I taped on the back so they don't move around, and a little chamois. So this is how I'm going to keep it. I think it looks really good, but I am going to wrap this one for you guys. I used the clear wrap from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to do this at an angle so that I can get the most out of my cellophane wrap. I'm also going to be using one of the fleece scarves. I'm going to cut it up into strips so that I can use these as bows for my gifts. So once I bring all of the cellophane to the top, I'm going to go ahead and tie a cute little bow. Look how secure it is. The bottles aren't moving around, and I personally think this is a great gift for the holidays. For the next gift, I'm going to be using this reversible sequins bin from Dollar Tree. I think it's super cute and useful. And I'm also going to fill it with Dollar Tree decorative shred. If you purchased a tank top or anything for the person, you can fill it with that instead. And I am going to be filling it with these Stationery Accessories, which I purchased at Dollar Tree. I think they're so cute. And to help keep them up, I'm going to take a piece of foam board, which I've cut down to size, and I'm going to tape those into place. I also found this stationery kit at Dollar Tree, and you can add as much or as little as you want. You don't have to add everything. The star of the show for me were these rose gold push pins and paper clips. I am going to add tape to the back, and I'm just going to tape it to the stationery kit. I'm only going to add tape and mounting tape to things that come in a package. I wouldn't add it to anything that could break. These Westcott scissors were such a bargain. They're at Dollar Tree, of course, for $1. So what I did was I cut this one out of the pack. And I'm going to go ahead and spray paint that rose gold. But I made sure to cover it first. I also did the same with one of the Dollar Tree staplers. I do regret not taping up the silver part of the stapler, but either way I thought it looked really good. This is the paint that I used, which I've used for everything, and look how adorable everything looks. Like I said, I probably should have taped up the silver side. I still think it looks really good. I added some more accessories from Dollar Tree. I kept playing around with the placement until I got it right, and you can go ahead and wrap this as well with cellophane, but I didn't want to because of the camera, but look how good this accessory set looks. For the next one, I'm going to use this planter from Dollar Tree, and I am going to go ahead and use that same rose gold spray paint just to make it look a little different. I found this and a bunch of yarn at Dollar Tree, and I decided to use this as the filler, and this is going to be a craft set. So I also added a craft bag, and I folded that in the back so I can prop up the other things that I found. And I got this measuring tape, another pair of the Westcott scissors because they're such a good buy. I added some craft bond, which is amazing to find at Dollar Tree, as well as liquid adhesive. As you can see, there's sort of a knitting and sewing theme going on here. I also added the Dollar Tree sequins, some buttons, and this little sewing kit. These beads were my favorite, and like I said, you can add as much or as little as you want, but I think this is so cute and so thoughtful for anybody who likes to sew or craft. It's just perfect. If you know somebody who's a dog owner, I think this is such a cute idea. I got this red little bowl, and I also got this pet bandana. I'm going to use some foam to prop it up so I can make this into a little basket as well. And when you're shopping for someone else's pets, you want to make sure that you're staying away from stuff like treats or shampoos or anything like that, because dogs have their own special diet. Go onto their social media and print out a super cute picture of their pet. Trust me, you'll know which one their favorite is, and place it in a Dollar Tree frame. Dollar Tree had these adorable vintage looking dog toys, and I'm actually going to use one of them as filler, which is why I didn't fill this one up. And then I'm going to place the dog bone on top. This is really inexpensive and super thoughtful, and I think anybody with a pup or a cat would appreciate this. This next one can be for a boy or a girl. I use this Dollar Tree caddy, and I filled it up with fluff. You don't have to do this part. And then I found so much Crayola stuff at Dollar Tree, so I bought this doodle pad and these construction papers, and I put them up top. I did grab a piece of foam to support it, and with one piece of foam, I used it on all of these gifts and still had left over. Next, I found crayons, colored pencils, neon crayons. I found all sorts of goodies at Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to keep piling these on. I also found chalk. You can stop adding stuff wherever you want, but I just am showing you all of the things that I purchased. I found all of these cute little paints and glues. Mind you, everything is $1. So to put this together for Christmas or back to school is such a great idea. I kept playing around with the placement of everything, and in the end, I am going to wrap this, but just not for the video because everything is just going to look super shiny and out of focus. And here you have a really cute unisex gift. Like I said, you can add more or take some away. It still looks really good. For this next gift, I'm also going to be using the aluminum trays from Dollar Tree. And to prop everything up, I'm going to use this scarf, which I think is super cute. I folded it up and used mounting tape to keep it in place. The mounting tape does not damage the scarf, I promise you. I'm also going to add some Barbasol which just reminds me of like old school shave kits. I also purchased the Aftershave from Dollar Tree. And this was a star of the show. I thought these razors were so cool and vintage looking. I actually opened one up and just used it for decor here. Dollar Tree also had this Arm & Hammer body wash, which I added, but eventually I did take away because I didn't feel like it fit. I found these really cool socks at Dollar Tree, and I decided to add them to this as a little bonus. In the makeup section, I used one of their kabuki brushes for the shave kit. I think this looks really good, and you get a little bit of everything in this gift. For this next one, I used the Floral Planter and I spray painted it blue because I thought this color would match perfectly with what I'm going to put inside. I did add my fluff and then I put my Amopay file. Dollar Tree randomly stocks up on Amopay goodies, and this foot file they carry all the time. It's supposed to be an imitation ped egg and works just as well. This week, Dollar Tree had Amopay gel inserts, and I think this is such a good buy. And they always have Kiss gel polishes, so I went ahead and picked some pretty neutral colors and added them to my basket. And I think this is the cutest basket and the cheapest and easiest to put together. This is what it looks like all tied up, and it's great for a coworker. For my last one, I'm going to use my Sequins Makeup Bag from Dollar Tree. I love this. I think it's so pretty, and I've mentioned making this a gift. I'm going to insert one of my little foam board pieces to prop up all of my makeup. Dollar Tree has been carrying these Korean face masks, so I placed one in there and made sure to tape it down onto the foam piece. And then I also added the LA Colors Smoky and Nude from Dollar Tree, as well as their liquid lipsticks. This is a perfect kit for somebody who's just getting into makeup or somebody who you know uses LA Colors frequently. I also added this adorable little compact from Dollar Tree, and when you prop this up, it looks like something you purchased in a store. This is so cute and so affordable, and it's one of my favorites. I really hope that you enjoyed those gift basket ideas. Let me know in the comment section below which one you'll be recreating or what items you would add to yours. Again, don't forget to check that description box so you can check out Shop Tagger. I'll leave the link there. And again, thank you so much for watching. Out of all the videos on the internet, you are sitting here and watching mine, and I am so grateful. Thank you so much, and until next time.